Sometimes it takes a while to tune the banjo, so just be patient, please.
He said 3 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Is there such a thing?
People all night long.
Down to Garden, for recreation, 17th of August, 1917, and we're multitudes assembled with the tickets at the station. The young began to settle, and we're going to see the races with you at for the Diddly Idle Day. There were passengers from Limerick and more from Tipperary, boys from Connemara and the Clare of Mary's ladies, and people from Cork City who were loyal, true, and faithful. Prisoners from dying organizations with you at for the Diddly Idle Day. There you'll see the pipers and the fiddlers competing, nimble-footed dancers a tripping over the ladies, and others crying cigars and lights and mills for all the races, and the colours of the jockeys, and cries and horses' ages with you at for the Diddly Idle Day. There you'll see the jockeys and the mountains.